A hot, dry stretch continues, but eventually we'll get some much needed rain. I'm timing this out along with a big cool down. Here we have beautiful weather out there. Sunshine prevails. It's great for going out and about, even if you're just locally traveling. So we are looking, of course, at our foliage conditions, and we are seeing peak color emerging through much of New Hampshire, especially as you move north of the mountains and through the mountains even. As you move up through Maine toward the Canadian border especially, and into northern Vermont. We are seeing some really great color evolving as you move into southern New Hampshire as well. So you really don't have to go all too far here from Massachusetts. Now, we are looking at a slightly earlier onset of our color, and you may be noticing that here locally too. It's something that's really prevalent through northern New England, where we are seeing extreme drought in place, but our drought conditions are worsening here slowly each week. We see our numbers slowly increasing. So at this point, 26% of the state is under moderate drought and 2% now under severe, and that 2% mainly covering the mid to outer Cape. So we're closely watching our next potential for rain. The good news here with this next round of rain, while in general we're looking at less than half an inch, there's some signs here that we might see a few rumbles of thunder and thunderstorms that could produce isolated downpours. And the models are now starting to pick up on that potential, as you could see some isolated pockets of areas where we could see close to an inch of rainfall, and that would be some more beneficial rainfall, something that we can really use at this point, especially down toward Cape Cod, but really region-wide. We are in the 50s to low 60s this morning. Wow, Worcester really warm at 67 degrees, but we're seeing some cool spots. New Bedford checking in at 49. As we move towards sunrise, and that sunrise is still not for another hour and a half, but we will see some great color to the sky as we have sunshine in place through the rest of this afternoon. Really hard to find a cloud in our forecast for today. We will make our way toward 80 in Boston, but it will likely be a slow process to hit that number, just because we do have a sea breeze in place, and that sea breeze a little bit stronger today compared to yesterday, which is why I do think we'll see a lot of low 70s at our immediate coastline. Meanwhile, inland, we actually gain a few degrees, closer to 84 in Shirley today. We could hit 85 through the Merrimack Valley. So these are the hot spots as we move just northwest of Boston. Norwood, another hot spot, just about 83 this afternoon, and you can see those low to mid 80s stretch all the way through the Connecticut River Valley, low to mid 70s stretching down toward Cape Cod. Areas of fog tonight, and I do think this could get thick at times. We're watching this fog bank trying to develop over the south coast as we move it toward 2 o'clock in the morning, and the models are showing this kind of starting to stretch northward. So if you're south of the Pike in the morning, you might run into some areas of thick fog for your Monday morning commute before it starts to disperse heading into the afternoon. It's another warm afternoon.